and I welcome you here. Today we discuss about tips to crack job interview. Be confident, don't get fear. It is very easy to handle this fear by simply changing your attitude and approach towards the interview. And self-confidence is very important in regard. I am going to share success mantra. Always appear in interview with attitude as in you don't get this job. Yes, you heard it right. Always appear in interview with this attitude. This will definitely help you to overcome any fear and understand job requirement. It is very important to understand what is job profile and whether you fit in this profile or not. Always ask for job description before appearing for any interview. And identify your strengths and be clear on what kind of candidate organization is looking for. It will help you to decide your approach during course of interview. Remember, understand job requirement is important. And another, once you clear on job requirement, make a list of probable questions and their answers. What all an interview can ask you. If need arises, take help of your friends who are in similar position or industry. Trust me, if you do this exercise seriously, you will be able to find out at least 70% of questions which can be asked during the interview. And never judge for or fabricate your CV. Like it's a biggest and most common mistake by most of the candidates, including me. My sincere advice, never ever judge your CV. Organizations are smart and they will find out very easily that you have fabricated your CV or resume. It can create problem for you in future and can even spoil your career. So always be honest in your approach and never argue with interviewer. It is advisable not to enter into any kind of argument with the interviewer during interview. Let's have fun in interview and be cool and patient. Let's accept that the person who is taking the interview has more experience. Just listen and don't argue to justify your point. I am not saying don't put across your point, but put it on positive manner and don't argue to justify that you are correct. It is also help you to improve your candidature and salary negotiations. Never ever ask for unrealistic salary hikes as it gives impression that you are not serious about the job and just changing the job for money. Kindly do your homework before salary negotiation with your experience and for the particular job profile. What is industry benchmark? For junior and middle management, normal salary hike is in the range of 25 to 40. Never ditch the organization after the accepting job. Many of the people make this same mistake. Again, every and very common mistake and some people have habit of keeping trying in various organizations for better package after receiving job offer. And if they get another job, they simply say no before joining. Trust me, it can spoil your career in long run and you will never be able to reach top management with this attitude. World is very small and in this network age you can't hide this kind of actions. And I wanted to put here again 5 points important techniques and be positive. You'll be a more attractive candidate. Set goals. Prior to interview, take the time to write down where you want to be in 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. Sell what you can do. Know what benefits and skills you bring to the table. Ask the right questions in the right way. And here is the 9 most common mistakes that can cost your job. Not doing research, being late, not making eye contact, talking in cliches, like nonsense, trash talking your previous employer, not asking questions. Ask any questions that you want to like. Playing with your phone and lying is another mistake. And I wanted to seven foolproof interview techniques. Environment matters. An interview are two-way thing. Know the ABCs of candidate CVs. Like you wanted to go thorough with your CV. And these are the common things I wanted to discuss about you. And all the best for future jobs. And thank you.